programmer students of Egypt and Arab world. So far now we learned about horizontal navigation bar and vertical navigation bar. Okay, now we were started with the drop down menus, but we couldn't complete that. So let's get into this. So drop down menus. So already we have created the UL, the box for the list. For the unordered lists, and also all the lists should be floated at the left side, and the list contents, all the list anchor tags, how those should be displayed, that also we saw. Now next let's apply the hover for the list anchors. So hover, and also I'm applying the hover for the drop down. So here dot drop button. Okay, so now I'm applying the hover, that is a background color, color that should be red. Okay, now let's do the how the li dot drop down. Let's display them at the inline block. Okay, now let's do drop down content. So how those drop down content should be displayed? For that, first we have to create the box for that. Okay, so dot drop down content. Okay, yes, next display none, and position that should be absolute, and background color, the background color should be hash F9 F9 F9. So next, minimum width should be 160 pixel, and box shadow I'm applying here. So box shadow, you have to set the shade for that at the right side, left side, top, bottom. That depends on you how you want to set. So I'm setting it 0 pixel, 8 pixel, 16 pixel, and 0 pixel. So this 0 is for top, right, bottom, and the left. Okay, now I'm applying the RGBA. So that is 0, 0, 0, 0.2. Okay, yes, so this is drop down content we have completed. Now drop down content means what? So this is, yeah, so this is we just created the box to be box where the list should be displayed. Now we have to write the style for the lists. This link 1, link 2, link 3, how this should be displayed in that box. For that we have to write the styling. So dot drop down content a color of the text should be black. Okay, and padding, so 12 pixel and 16 pixel, and then text decoration, that is none. We don't want any underlines or overline, nothing. And then display block, and text align left. Yes, so this is how we created the lists in that box. Okay, now we have to apply the hover for the link 1, link 2, link 3 for that list. Okay, so for that what we have to do, drop down content hover, hover, and background color, should be, let's do it hash F1 F1 F1. Okay, done. And next, drop down hover, drop down content. It means, I'll tell you, drop down hover dot drop down content. Okay, drop down hover, drop down content, that is display in block. So here what is happening, the drop down hover, when you apply the drop down hover, so the drop down contents should be in the block, that displayed should be displayed in the block. Okay, and this drop down content a hover, we are applying the link 1, link 2, link 3 should be, we are applying the hover for them. Okay, yes. So now let's test the web page. Go to web page. So that is our drop down. Open. Yes, you can see here home, news, drop down. Link 1, link 2, link 3. Right. So I'm applying the hover color F1, F1, F1. It means it is too light color. Okay. I'm not applying the red color for the link 1, link 2, link 3. Okay, so this is how you can apply. You can observe here the box width I have given 160 pixel, and these all are displaying in a block, right? So link 1, link 2 are in a block style. Okay, so this is how you can create the drop down menu for your navigation bar. Okay, yes. So next we are creating the new concept. I mean, we are going to learn about a new concept, that is image gallery. So how to apply, I mean, how to create so many some images in a web page. It means the gallery. Okay, so let's see that. Now I'll just create a new file for that. Let's save it as image gallery dot html. Okay, yeah, so let me quickly go back and just copy this part. Yes, copy, go to here, paste it, and close the style, and then body. Yes, let's create the, okay, not UL, because this is the image part, so we are creating the div element here. Okay, yeah, so div element, I'm creating a class for this, so gallery. Okay, and anchor tag, so just create href and add the image in it. So let me check what images I have. Let's see. And yeah, we have a scenery 1, scenery 2, scenery 3. Okay, let's take the scene 1, and what file it is, gif, gif. Okay, let's go. Yeah, scene 1 dot gif. All right, close this, and next create the image tag, and obviously image source file is the same one, scene 1 dot gif, and width of the image, how much you want to mention, you can mention that. So I'm just mentioning here 600, and okay, yeah, and then we are using the height 400. Okay, close this. Yeah, and now close the anchor tag and close the, and also open a div element just to write something in the image below the image. So class desk. Yeah, okay, yes, I'm just adding here something, some content. Add a description of the image. So close the div element, and now close this div element I'm closing. Okay, so this is how we are creating the images. I mean, we are adding the images to our web page. Let me copy this first. Okay, just copy and paste it, because I have a 3 images here. So let me just change the number of the images. Next 3. Next 3. Yeah, okay, yeah, sorry, 2. Okay, so I have created the images. Okay, let me just close the spot, and I will close the body tag and HTML tag. All right,